Laboratory environments require flooring that can handle heavy use, chemical exposure, and strict cleanliness standards. Epoxy flooring is a strong solution because it creates a seamless, non-porous surface that resists spills from acid, solvents, and disinfectants. Without joints or seams, it helps prevent bacteria buildup and makes cleaning faster and more effective. It is also highly durable and holds up well under heavy equipment, foot traffic, and rolling carts. Epoxy floors can be customized with slip-resistant finishes, safety markings, and static control properties to improve safety and performance in specialized lab settings. This makes epoxy an ideal choice for laboratory flooring in both research and medical environments. Overall, laboratory flooring with epoxy offers a reliable, low-maintenance solution that supports long-term safety and compliance.